Based on the analysis of your test results, you can conclude when a particular battery has reached the end of its life. In such a case, this battery will need to be replaced. This training video describes how to indicate a battery replacement in IBMS. The procedure is similar to indicating a battery replacement in the analyzer. You may also consult the EC Series Analyzer's user manual for further information. In IBMS, battery replacement is performed in the Battery Details tab of the Edit Battery String window. Open the Inventory Overview and select the string when the battery is replaced. To open the Edit Battery String window, use the button at the bottom of the Inventory Overview. Double-click on the selected string, or with a right-click, open the menu and select Edit String. The Edit Battery String window will open. Select the Battery Detail tab. Some of the functions of the Battery Details tab have been discussed in our other videos. This video will focus on the Replace Battery function. Select the battery to be replaced, and then click Replace Battery. The Replace Battery window will open. The title indicates which battery in the string is about to be flagged as replaced. Enter the optional installation date and manufacturing date, as well as any comments. These information are optional but will allow you to improve your battery management. Click Replace Battery. The corresponding battery is now indicated as replaced in the Batteries Detail tab. Battery previously replaced will also be listed here with the Replaced box checked. If the battery was marked as replaced in the EC Series Analyzer, the Replaced box will also be checked as well. The replacement history opens a new window listing the history of the replacement in the string. When you are done, you can close the Edit Battery String window by clicking on Save Changes. The string configuration is now updated to include the battery replacement. By indicating a battery as replaced, the individual baselines associated to this battery are erased in the IBMS database. The individual baselines are used by IBMS to calculate test parameters displayed in Advanced View mode. You also need to update the string configuration to your analyzer so that it will know to collect the individual baseline value for the new battery. Please refer to IBMS COM1 for details on communicating with the EC Series Analyzer. Connect your analyzer and use the Transfer function. Select the Transfer to Analyzer tab. Check the box of the string with the Replace battery and click the Transfer button. Confirm the replacement of the string in the next message. The analyzer will collect the individual baseline of the replaced battery in the next time the string is tested. Therefore, the string should already include the new battery at the time of the next test. For optimal results, GEI recommends testing batteries on float after being in float for 2 weeks without equalization. If the measurement is done off float, the test sessions should be done on fully charged batteries being disconnected from the charger for at least 30 minutes. Replacing batteries will never overwrite population-based baseline used for calculating sulfation and dryout value, as well as the percentage impedance population base. If instead of replacing degraded battery, you decide to renew the entire string, you might want to create a new string configuration rather than indicating all the batteries as replaced. This concludes the training video on the IBMS battery replacement function. If you have any questions or need further information, please visit Global Energy Innovation's website or contact us. Thank you.